Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you how I treat my hair. I've just gotten out of the shower. I didn't feel comfortable shampooing my hair on camera just because it's too many things to try to conceal. So I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. I shampoo and condition my locks just because I've gotten to the stage where my hair is starting to bud. So for me, that's a comfortable point to start using conditioner when you have lock extensions. And it's basically the same for natural locks. Once your hair starts budding, the chance of slipping is less, so you can use conditioner. So I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. The shampoo conditioner isn't really that important as long as it is easy to rinse out, doesn't cause buildup. I do tend to use more natural based products, but you can use whatever you have at your local pharmacy, supermarket, Walmart, whatever. Just make sure that the products are easy to rinse out. If it has too much slick to it, it's going to leave a coating on the hair and it's just going to make your hair look like it's not clean. So I have put my hair in a towel. My hair, I dyed it red maybe a month ago. Let me show you. Like, remember, I was telling you guys in my previous video that when I did my locks, I just kind of grabbed what I had and put it in. There was no rhyme or reason to it, so the parting is all over the place. I also maintain mine with freeforming, semi-freeforming, because I do instant or crochet locks method occasionally. So right here, where I did the part a bit big for the extension, here I have budding right here. You can't see it on camera, but I can feel it. So I'm starting to have budding throughout. This is another one. You can see that one, obviously, okay? That's another one. So when I crochet, I do it tight so that that portion where it's attached is more firm than either end of the lock, but your hair will still bud, so that's why I have those points. So anyway, freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, still wet. And now I'm gonna show you how I take care of it. So now I have been developing my hair oil in particular for almost a year. I started last March. One of my clients who purchased my salon bottle last March, right before the lockdown, she's still using hers. She bought a pretty decent size and had a dropper. So she has about this much left in a big bottle. And I'm like thrilled because she uses it for our whole family and she loves it. My family uses it. Obviously, I use it at the salon. So my packaging will be, the labeling, all that. But I just want to show you how I do it with my products. This is our rose water. Rose water, typically when you find it in the store, sometimes it's like in a pink bottle, or it's usually added with something pink. If you're using the roses, it can have a pink hue, but it doesn't always have to. It can be clear. So rose water, and I have our oil. So what I do is I use my mister. The reason why I like this more so than a regular spray bottle is because I don't know if you can see that, but it gets a wider area. Okay. You don't have to spray this much, but I like to because it smells really good. Spraying the scalp. Now my oil. This oil has a mixture of oils, which you'll see soon. But yeah, so I have the dropper and I go in my scalp. Now, I am somebody that doesn't need to oil my scalp constantly. I know some people, they're like really aggressive with it. I do this probably once a week. Okay. And that is perfect for me. Doesn't cause any acne around my face. That's due to the select carrier oils and essential oils that I used for this. I was very, very strategic with what I wanted to use. I do mix this myself. And I wanted a blend that does not cause acne, but actually helps with the hair and scalp. So my oil in particular is focused on stimulating hair growth, calming the scalp. So itching and things like that, it helps to reduce, also helps to reduce dandruff. Okay, so I put it in my hair like that. As you can see, I went through the parts. I put it directly on my scalp, and I put like a tiny bit on my hand, rub it together, and I run it through. Okay, now the reason why I do the rose water first, or on wet hair, is because you want it to kind of absorb, or at least not seal in dryness. A lot of times people put oil on dry hair and all it does is seal in the dryness. So you want to make sure the hair is moist. So I do this process after I wash my hair or shampoo my hair. And let's say I'm gonna leave my hair like this for a week and a half to 2 weeks. I may do it one more time. But that's me. I don't really need to do a whole lot. I'm not someone that loves to put products in the hair all the time. I just put what's absolutely necessary. And this is what my hands look like. My fingertips are red because the color still bleeds. But if you can see, it's not a whole bunch of oil left on my hands. It's easily absorbed in, and then that's it. So that is all I do for my locks. That's all I do. I shampoo and condition, use rose water and oil, and my hair is good to go. Smells fresh. It's very natural. It's a natural scent, and you'll be able to pick up on some of the hints of peppermint and things like that. But it has helped my family. It has helped a lot of my clients. So if you're looking for something that can help to treat your hair in between washes or the day of your wash, so you don't have to use a lot of product, get yourself some rose water and oil. I will be releasing it this coming week, so look out for that. So once my hair is nice and oiled, has a rose water in it, I actually like to sit under the dryer. With my previous sets of locks, I used to let it air dry a lot, but then I felt like my hair was wet for a really long time. My nose would run, things like that. So I like to dry my hair with a regular old-fashioned head dryer. You can also use the cloth bonnet dryer that you can just attach to a standard blow dryer. Works really well too. So I like to wash my hair and dry it right away. And I think it usually takes me about 30 minutes. I don't have much, as you can see, so I just pile it on top of my head, sit under, watch a program, Netflix, and it's all good to go. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and that'll be it for me. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, any tips that you need about how to care for your locks, you can always email us at mukisalocs@gmail.com, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.